Flat roofs versus pitched roofs. What type of roof do you have? Flat roofs are gonna be your traditional style row homes or building rooftops. We design solar systems and build systems completely different for flat roofs than your traditional style pitched roof. For flat roofs, especially row homes, we typically use what are called Schledder beams. These beams go from parapet to parapet and are bolted into the walls. Once the beams are installed and bolted to your parapet walls, the panels simply clip into place and they're bolted to the beams. These Schledder beams also allow us to raise the solar panels and place them in the optimal position for maximum sun exposure. Pitched roofs, these roofs are the most common types of roofs, and we convert these every day to solar panels. We use a different type of racking. This type of racking, we usually use Iron Ridge as the manufacturer, and Iron Ridge has a really good racking system that is bolted directly into your rafters.